Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my method of how I pack for an overseas holiday. Now by the time you're watching this, I am already in LA on vacation with my son. We are going to LA, Maui and Honolulu, and as exhausted as I feel right now standing in front of you, I really wanted to film this video for you guys, so I will begin. Now the first part of my process when I'm packing for an overseas trip is to plan all the outfits that I'll be wearing for the duration of the time that I'm there. It probably comes as no surprise to you, but fashion plays a big part in my everyday life, and this is no different when I'm traveling overseas. I love to dress for the occasion, I love to dress for the weather, I love to dress to express myself, and I also love to dress so that my photos look nice. I don't want to be wearing the same thing in every photo. So what I normally do is go through my drawers and my cupboard, choose the items of clothing and accessories that I think I'll be wanting to wear, and then by process of elimination I make outfits for the days and then sort of whittle down the things that I can sort of do without, because I don't want to overpack, but I do want to look different and I do want to wear all my favorite resort pieces. Okay, I've planned all the outfits. Now it's time to pack my clothes, and I roll my clothes. This prevents creasing and takes minimal space, and then I pack them in traveling cubes. You can pick up traveling cubes from Maya or David Jones or any good department store or travel goods store. I just find that these traveling cubes keep everything neat and tidy. They maximize space, and they also are very good at making sure that you don't go over your baggage allowance. Now for shoes, I usually take 3 pairs. The pair that I wear on the day of travel, which is usually a pair of trainers, and then a pair of flip-flops and a pair of sandals. And I just pack my shoes in my handbag dust covers just to keep them away from anything else in my suitcase. So when it comes to my beauty products and toiletries, I try to buy travel size where I can. I don't take shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, soaps, anything that weighs a lot and takes up a lot of room. I can always buy that when I reach my destination, or usually your hotel provides you with that stuff anyway. So in my larger cosmetic case, I have all my makeup and my facial cleansers and moisturizers. And then in this smaller cosmetic bag, I just have a few travel size things that I need, like my dry shampoo, deodorant, perfume, and so on. My cosmetic bags, the smaller one and the larger one, are by Annabelle Trends. They have a cute little palm tree print, and I got them from Caloundra when I was on holiday visiting my brother a couple of years ago. These 2-cylinder containers I got from Kmart for I think about $3. In one I keep my makeup brushes, and in the other I will keep my toothbrush and toothpaste, which I will put in the morning for any last minute things that I can't pack, like my toothpaste and toothbrush and keys and mobile and little bits and pieces like that. I usually make a list the night before so I'm sure not to forget anything, and then just add them to my luggage or carry on in the morning before I leave. And then for any other bits and pieces like my hair tools, prescription medication and so on, I just make sure I pack in separate bags so they're not floating around in my suitcase, and everything's packed all neat and tidy. In my carry-on bag, I also take a clear cosmetic case to keep all the necessary things that I'll need in flight and for when I land. And lastly, for all my electronics and accessories, I picked up this crossbody laptop bag from Kmart for around $13, and it's in this real pretty chambray colour. Basically it. That is how I pack for an overseas trip. I have actually done it in real time with you guys. I'm not sure if you can tell, the lighting in here has changed. When I first started filming it was daytime, and now it is almost 10 p.m. and I am exhausted and I need to sleep because I've got work tomorrow. But this is basically it. This is how I pack. So that's a wrap for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys